Well, hello, I'm here and I'm going to show you my new BMX I just got about 2 weeks ago. It's a Subrosa Turo, I think it's pronounced, and I reckon it is really cool. It's a small crank, Shadow Conspiracy pedals, Shadow Conspiracy grips, and the brakes are Shadow Conspiracy. It's got a ramp head set and a rant head tubey thingy. I don't know what that's called. Rant grips. Rant rims and tires. It's got my own stickers. Shadow Conspiracy seat and rant hubs. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.